welcome back to another video, and today we will be unboxing one of my Christmas gifts last year, and this is the Apple Watch Series 9. This one was a gift from my pag-ibig. Thank you so much, love, for gifting me this Apple Watch. It will be very useful for my content creation then, and also fitness, because I really want to track my progress na when it comes to walking and all the other fitness um, prompts na pwedeng ibigay ng Apple Watch. This is my first ever Apple Watch, so I'm very excited about it. Thank you so much, love, for gifting this to me and for spoiling me last Christmas. So we have here the magnetic charger for the Apple Watch. We have manuals, and of course in the box we also have the Apple Watch itself. I got the 41mm kasi alam ko na maliit lang naman yung wrist ko, and this one will fit better. I got the pink variant. It's so beautiful. Hindi siya in your face pink. It's subtle and it's easier to dress up or to to blend sa outfit ninyo. I also got the sport band version or variation para easier to clean and low maintenance. And I love the feeling of the band around my wrist. Hindi siya makate or masakit, and it's very smooth around the skin, so I don't think I'll get irritations from this one. So our question for the day is, what style of watch do you like ba? Do you like analog? Do you like aviator? Do you like something digital or fitness or smartwatch like this one? So let's talk in the comment section below. And while we're at it, I would like to share with you my top 5 favorite features of Apple Watch. Since I am a first-time user, here are the 5 features that I really enjoyed. The fitness tracker, the sleep tracker, the notifications without your phone feature, the timer, and the camera. Super helpful, no? Fitness tracker, because it gives you a prompt every now and then to stand up, to move around. Sleep tracker can give you like the hours of sleep, kung REM, kung core, kung deep sleep. Timer, very helpful, and camera for vlogging. What I love about Apple products ay madalis lang i-customize. So if you're that kind of person who's into styling, making it personalized, yung mga items ninyo like this Apple Watch, I really think that you will enjoy this kind of purchase. So ayan, these are just like decorations around the wrist area. So just to add more bling to your Apple Watch. So there. While watching and editing my video, I came to realize that God has blessed my family so much and the people around me so much. And I thank God for this provision that we have, that pag-ibig and I can already purchase things like this na high-ticket items na noon hindi namin kayang gawin. So I'm so happy that God has been with us for the longest time at hindi niya kami pinababayaan. So ito yung mga kwento na malayo pa pero malayo na. So I know this is just a material thing. This should not be, anything that can measure our self-worth and our value, sa buhay natin or sa mundo. But this is something that can really make you believe or really make you realize na if you have this determination at hindi ka bumibitaw sa buhay, you get to acquire the things you once just dreamed of. Actually, before gusto ko lang talaga ng isang Apple product. But I'm so happy that I was able to get a hold of some of the Apple products in the Apple ecosystem. So this is for me an achievement, mababaw man pakinggan. There you go, fam. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you again next week for a brand new one. I hope that you all have enjoyed the rest of your weekend. Bye!